All right, I'm gonna make this grilled chicken sandwich. Let's hope I turned on the right eye. Yes, I did. Everything that's going on the sandwich, I got a bun, which is 90 calories, 5 grams of protein. Cheese, which is the same 90 calories, 5 grams of protein. And some little peppers and onions. And I got these little chicken products called Quick Chicken that I got from Sam's Club. Well, put together, it's 200 calories, 42 grams of protein. So all together, the sandwich is 415 calories, 52 grams of protein. So it's a high protein sandwich, and I'm gonna add a salad to it for a quick dinner. These are the buns I'm using. Old Time 64-7. Like I said, 90 calories, 5 grams of protein. While we're waiting for the pan to get hot, I'll show you the chicken. This is Gary's Quick Chicken. I'm not advertising, but this is what I'm making. So each patty is rib meat. Each patty, 100 calories, 21 grams of protein, and they're pretty salty. So I'm not adding any salt. I'm just going with garlic powder, McCormick garlic powder, onion powder, and some pepper. We got that pan nice and hot. I don't know if you can see it. You don't need to necessarily watch me cook, but I guess that's part of the show. I ain't trying to burn nothing down. All right, we're gonna flip it. Boom. Oh, look how delicious it is, yes. All right, now that it's flipped, I know it's not looking quite tasty yet, but don't you worry about that. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on it. We start with the onion powder. Then follow it up with the garlic powder. Oops, am I blocking it? I hope you can see. And of course, we are generous with the pepper. Add some color. Boom. I don't know if that pan hot enough, but I'm gonna turn it up. I guess I should get my buns ready. So I'm gonna have a pan on low on the other eye. That'll be for my buns. All right, now we're gonna start breaking this chicken up, and it's gonna start looking like the box as advertised. And since the sandwich is 415 calories, we're not having fries or anything. I'm just gonna throw a salad beside it. I might sprinkle a little more cheese on the salad to give it something. All right, let that cook a little bit, and then once it's almost done, we're gonna add the peppers because we want the peppers absorbing the flavor. Matter of fact, let's get them peppers in there. Want some color on the peppers. Peppers and onions going in. Boom, bam, bam. Boom. Add a little more garlic powder. Boom. A little more onion powder, because we don't want the peppers and the onions feeling unseasoned. All right, then we mix it all up. It's starting to get nice and hot. You see that steam? Oh, yeah. We almost there. Making a mess. That's how you know you really cooking. If you ain't making a mess, what is you doing? So now, while that's doing its thing, we're gonna start getting them buns. Already. All right, I got a stick of butter, right? All I'm gonna do, take the butter and go like that in the pan. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. And then I'm gonna lay these buns on the butter, and they gonna get that nice flavor. It's almost sandwich time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a non-stick pan. It's supposed to look like that. You feel me? But that's how you know it's cooking. Quick chicken, right? I probably cook it a little too long because I don't want no pink chicken. I want quick chicken, not pink chicken. So while that's doing this thing, I'm gonna try to pile it up the best I can. We're gonna lay this slab of cheese right on top of it. And we're gonna get it off the heat. Boom. And get those buns going. And we'll put the top on it so that cheese can melt. Get them buns toasted. Crunchy green leafy romaine. Boom. That's going on this side. Oh, let me get my buns off there before they get too crispy. We're gonna take the buns off. They're a little toasted, but hey. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Bam. Just to give it some decoration so it's not all green. Slap it down. Boom. Put a little bit right there. A little bit right there. Boom. That's it. We ain't gonna overdo it. All right. Yeah. I mean, you know, it looks, but we won't, you know, whatever. Boom. This is a sandwich, our meat. Boom. We're gonna take that, slap that right on the bottom. Ooh, don't it look tasty? And then we're gonna take the rest of the meat and add it to the salad. Don't worry about my pan now. Don't worry about my pan. Boom. And now we got a little chicken salad and a chicken sandwich. Spread it out a little bit. Bam, boom, 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 boom. Put that top on it. Boom, boom. To finish this, we need the skinny girl. Poppy seed. Boom. 10 calories, 2 tablespoons. I don't even know if I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, maybe, but boom, we're going to make it look pretty. With a Coke Zero. Boom. Now let's zoom in on it. That's your daddy meal. That's your daddy meal.